Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Running into file login errors in Shopify, whether you are uploading images, documents, or managing store files, this quick video will show you how to fix it first. First of all, file login issues usually happen when you are logged out during upload, your session expires, you are using an unsupported file type, or there's a permissions or browse cache issue. Here are quick step to fix it. Refresh your login, log out and back into Shopify to reset your session. Now clear cache or try incognito mode. Sometimes the browse cache creates upload issues. They try upload from an incognito window or clear your browser history and cookies from settings. Then go to privacy and security and click delete browse data and click delete data, and that's it. Then check file type or size. Make sure the file you are uploading is supported. Images like JPG, PNG, GIF, docs, PDF, maximum size 20 megabyte for most uploads. Then use Shopify files section instead of uploading through theme editor or blog post. Go to content, then files, then click upload files. This is the most stable place to manage media and documents. Still having trouble? Try using a different browser. Disable browser extensions that may block scripts, like click extension uh, tab, then click delete or remove from Chrome. If you are using a third-party app to manage files, make sure it has permission under settings, then apps and sales channels. If nothing works, reach out to Shopify support. Provide the file type, file size, error screenshot, uh, and what page you are on. They can manually check your account or escalate the issue. And that's how you fix the file login and upload issues in Shopify. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.